Hi and welcome to OptiTune. My name's Connor. In today's video, I'm going to explore the Computers and Groups tab in OptiTune and show you what all of the options available can do. Getting started, you need to select Computers and Groups on the left hand side, and you'll be presented with the machines you've already set up within OptiTune. The default column profile will show you various data such as name, domain, and operating system. You can, however, select the column profile by clicking on Default, and we have an assortment of options available. For instance, you can select Windows Updates. This will show you what updates are available, what updates have been installed, and what updates have failed. You also have the option to decide which computers you want to see, and you can filter this by customer, location, or even a custom group. OptiTune allows you to set up unlimited groups, and even allows you to create a detailed tree, so you always know where to look to find each machine for your customer. If you click on a device, you will be presented with a flurry of features that will assist you in resolving and diagnosing issues for your client. First of all, you're presented with a summary page, which gives you information such as IP address, location, operating system, and well, you understand the rest. Scrolling down the page, it will show you the administration section, which we will take a deep dive into very shortly. Under the administration section, we have computer details. This shows operating system information, local users on the machine, and the remaining unused disk space. It will also give you a complete hardware breakdown of the machine, displaying useful information such as BIOS release date and the memory installed. Finally, it will show you what printers and network shares are set up on that machine. Underneath the computer details section, we have the agent status. This is a brilliant way to diagnose any connection problems you may run into. First of all, you have status, which shows data regarding the connection status and polling interval. Then we have work queues, which shows you what OptiTune is running on the machine to capture all the data required. And finally, we have the agent log. This is something quite unique about OptiTune. We allow you to see exactly what we're running at any point in time, so if required, you can see when and what was happening on every single machine you're supporting. Finally, we have maintenance. These are some fields which you can manually input data into, whether it be notes about this particular machine or even an asset ID. You can even add in the owner's email address, to speed up your remote support workflow. All of these fields are completely customizable, allowing you to capture the data in a uniformed way for each customer. Scrolling back up the page, I want to take a quick deep dive into the administration section. I'll firstly touch on favourite task. This is a completely customizable list where you can create and store tasks based on your requirements. OptiTune has the ability to deploy software and scripts on bulk, but favourite tasks are designed for quick and dedicated fault or remediation updates. I'll go over how all of the remaining features work in a future video, but I'll give you a very basic overview and show you how each administration button works. Remote Connect. Well, this one's pretty straightforward. This one allows you to remotely connect to the device that you're looking at. Command Prompt will give you remote access to the command prompt on the machine, the same as PowerShell. File Transfer will open the custom file transfer program, which utilises the remote connection tool. Task Manager will open Task Manager within OptiTune for a quick and easy way to view. And it also gives you access to processes, allowing you to end them remotely. System Services is another amazing feature within OptiTune, allowing you to start, stop, or even pause services remotely, and you can even change the startup behaviour. Alerts, if you have any configured, will take you directly to the monitoring tab of the machine, allowing you to see any active or current alerts on that device. Applications will give you a complete list of all the applications installed on that endpoint. And the deployment history will show you the history of deployments that have been ran from OptiTune and the status of them. Event Log, if configured, will show you the history based on the parameters which you can define. Performance will show you processor, memory, disk, network, and processes. And you can even select of what period you want to view these, whether it be for the past year or even the past hour. Clicking Protection will take you to the Endpoint Protection Overview page. Threats will take you to the Endpoint Protection Threat page, which will show you any active threats detected on the endpoint. Windows Updates will take you directly to the Windows Updates Overview tab for the machine. And finally, the Update History will allow you to see all of the Windows Update history for that specific machine. That pretty much sums up today the OptiTune Computers and Groups Overview section. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and if not, please subscribe to see more videos on OptiTune and how it works. I've been Connor. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Goodbye.